Hey guys, Devansh here. So, in this video, I'm gonna talk about how I got my first ad, which was Nirlife Energy. It was an energy drink that was started by Nirma back in 2011 when I was 10 years old. I got my first ad when I was 10. And before I get started, I just want to make a very small announcement, and that is a lot of you guys have been asking me regarding the books that I used for my JEE preparation and the gadgets that I used for recording and all, the tripod that I have. So I have just made a very simple HTML CSS website and I've just linked it down below, so you can just check that out. And yeah, let's get started. My surname is Dikshit. I have no relation with Madhuri Dikshit, or and none of my family member or my close relative or my friends has ever acted, and like I didn't know anyone from that industry. And I came to Mumbai in class 5th. I was earlier born and raised in Haryana. And when I came here, I had joined a gymnastic class since I was a very energetic kid, and my mom used to always keep me busy with these activities. I joined a gymnastic class, and one day what happened was someone so my gymnastic class sir's friend, उनका एक दोस्त था, he was in this industry and he wanted a gymnast for an advertisement, which was this only, like Near Life Energy, or that was my first ad. He wanted a gymnastic and energetic cute kid for this ad. So he had approached a lot of these institutions, and so he came to our institution as well. And he took pictures and videos of a few of my friends, my society friends, and including me. And yeah, that's how that was the first time I ever faced camera. And then when I went back home and I told mom कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ आज, she was like अरे चलो ठीक है, देखते जो होगा देखा जाएगा. I mean, she didn't know exactly. She thought I was just kidding and joking. उनका सब पता नहीं था कि ऐसा असली में कुछ हो रहा है. So yeah, that was like the first time I had faced camera and I did something. And but it was like a very basic thing. You had to do a cartwheel and a basic drill. So yeah, that was my first. I get a call after a period of 1 month. So they called my sir, and my sir told me that I had to go to a place called Aram Nagar. And so basically all these things like the shooting, like all these auditions and all, they happen in Andheri, Aram Nagar and Versova. These three places are a hub of all these advertisements and shooting auditions and all. So I had to go there, and I went there, and so there's a kind of a drill in which you need to give your introduction, and you need to give your profiles, and you need to give your contact number, and they'll give you a script and you have to act. So that's basically how an audition works. I'll be making a detailed video soon. But so I went there. So they saw that I didn't know how to act that well, but I was super energetic and I was very bubbly, and like I couldn't sit in a place for like a very long time. I used to jump around, and yeah. So I feel that they kind of liked that attitude. And we had another round, which was the final round of auditioning, in which we had to meet the main director and the producer of the TV commercial. And then we had they had a meeting with my parents regarding the money that I will get and stuff like that. I actually don't remember exactly what was the meeting about, but yeah, I remember that I had three rounds. One in the gymnastic class, second I personally went there for auditioning, and third it was a meeting, and they were basically discussing stuff with my parents. After a week, my mom gets a call, and basically the agency had called her saying that yeah, you were selected, and the shoot will be of 1 day, and there will be 2 days of training. Now, why was the training required? Because as a gymnast, like I had just joined gymnastics, so and I just knew basic cartwheels and some rolls and all. So they taught me parkour. Now I had no idea about what that is, and they trained me like for 2 days, and they taught me basic parkours, like when you're jumping from a height, how you need to roll and how you need to maintain and balance your body in steep slopes and all, in on thin bars, and basic workouts for 2 3 days, and then the shoot started. Now this like everything was super new for me. I had so there was sophisticated equipments like this huge cameras and a lot of people, and like I didn't realize the fact that a 30-second ad takes a whole day of shooting. Like uh, I was like अरे 30 सेकंड का ही तो ad है, तो like इतना कुछ क्यों इन्वॉल्व कर रहे हो उसमें. एंड देन लाइक आई थॉट कि अरे जल्दी हो जाएगा, 1 2 घंटे में हो जाना चाहिए, बट इट एक्चुअली टुक द होल डे. एंड so I had multiple scenes, like I had to jump across, and वो जो सब malls में ऐसा harness बना के ऐसा jump वम्प कराते हैं ना, तो वैसा एक harness बना के they used to like make me do stunts and all. And I also had this मुझे it was a really amazing experience because I had never seen something like that. और वो all these stunts were so fun, so amazing. Yeah, जैसे जंप करो तो I didn't realize कि how time passed. And the best thing is like everyone out there pampers you. So when you are a child artist, ऐसा होता है कि because you can't so if you are an adult actor, you can still control your emotions, but as a child you can't expect the small kid to be happy or be sad at any given point of time. No. So they make you like they pamper you a lot. So it was amazing कि तुम बिस्किट बोलो बिस्किट दे देंगे, चॉकलेट बोलो चॉकलेट दे देंगे, and everyone is around you asking you how are you feeling, are you okay. There are hairdressers, there are makeup artists, there are costume designers and costume managing staff. Then there is director, and director was super chill and super supportive. And it was a really fun shoot, and I had a lot of fun, except in the last scene. So so like पूरा दिन it was amazing, like super pampering and all. But what they didn't tell me was कि last scene में मुझे आँख मारनी थी, ठीक है. I had to wink to a girl. Now that girl was Ashnoor Kaur. She's super famous right now. You must have known her, and she's doing a lot of serials, and she's my great friend. And so that उसमें I had to wink at her, and so basically उसमें बहुत conscious हो गया था, and I think I still need to work on that. मैं बहुत conscious हो जाता हूँ. But anyways, तो मुझे उसको से आँख मारनी थी, and I took a real lot of time in doing that. Like that was the only take in which the director was like, भाई तूने कूद अच्छे से लिया, इसमें इतना टाइम क्यों लगा रहे हो, आँख ही तो मारनी है. But it was a really big deal for me, and finally I did that, and it was a overall an amazing experience. Like the first shoot, you get to learn a lot, you get to see so many people are looking at you, but you still manage to not get conscious. And yeah, I think that's how I developed this kind of an extroverted attitude over the period of time, because मैं बहुत पहले शर्मीला टाइप का था. लाइक जो मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ ना, कैमरा से बात करना, ये मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा पहले कभी. बट लाइक आई रियली like talking to camera, and I really liked facing cameras, and that's why like I really enjoy what I do. So yeah, that was all about it. Video, then like this video. If you like my content, then subscribe to this channel, and also show some love to Aditya's Python series. He's putting a lot of efforts, and he's trying to make this series one of the best series in the whole world out there. Yeah, basically show some love. Yeah, and like comment down below and follow that series. It may actually help you, and it would be a great pastime, and it would be a great learning experience, provided that your exams are keeping on like getting postponed and all. So this can be a very great productive activity that you can inculcate in your everyday life. Never gonna show.